Well, hello there, YouTube. I have to go for a ride in the evening. It's so hot during the day. It is 9:20, August 6th. We went for a walk tonight. My wife and I walk like, I close my shield. We walk like 3 miles. And usually when I get back, I'm soaking wet. But tonight I wasn't, so the humidity's down a little bit today. I know one night we walked last week, it was 79 degrees, but the humidity was like 95%, so soaking wet when I get home, even when it's 79 because it's so hot. But anyway, it's kind of nice right now. I'm gonna go for a spin. It's Thursday night. Well, I just checked my my mileage on this thing. I have over 8,000 miles on it already. And I saw some post, I guess it was Spyder lovers. People's tires are completely worn out on the back. It's 7,000 miles. Like this, the whole center's bald. I'm thinking they obviously had way too much air in the tire to wear out. I'm at 8,000. My back tire still looks new, but I don't ride crazy either. And then I saw another one that the front tires had like 1,600 miles on them. They're completely bald on the outside, so that kind of obvious that the thing is way out of whack. So I can kind of tell you, after my 8,000 mile review on the Spyder, I got nothing but good stuff to say. So far this thing is just, I love the way it rides. It is just completely comfortable for me. Sitting on it, I got the short reach bar, so I'm completely leaning back and I'm not stretched out with my arms are not stretched out. So when I had the regular bars on it, I got my neck hurt. I was complaining about my neck was always sore, wondering what the heck is going on. Is my neck was sore, my shoulders were sore. You're just leaning forward like a sport bike, and that just wasn't comfortable for me. But now I got it comfortable, so I can tell you, after 8,000 miles, I absolutely love this thing even more. I obviously ride it a lot, but it's just so comfortable and it's just so smooth. You know, you got to do some things to it to make it comfy, but I actually love it. I can't wait to take it on a long ride. I can't do it now, it's too hot. Maybe in the winter I'll take it on a couple day ride. I'll ride it up to, we should be starting our build. Oh, it'll be going in the winter, so I'll ride up there and check out the progress and clearing the lot and all that kind of stuff, and then ride back. I'll take the back road, so it's probably 4.5 hour ride one way on the back roads, but I'll do it. It'll be fun on this thing. And plus I'll go to some football games and ride this or ride the other one or whatever, but it'll be fun. Bye. More on the review. I did think of one thing negative. And any of you that have the 2020 RT Limited, see if you notice that left mirror comes loose, and it just really, you can see it just shaking like crazy. Not the right one, only the left one. That happened to me probably at less than 3,000 miles that thing came loose. And I tried to tighten it up, but then I saw a fix on the Monster, just drilled and tap that hole out and it'll press and hold it. And they do make a fix, but it's like $69, little foam piece and another little nut that goes in there, but you don't need it for the right one. The right one stays solid. But I bet you most of you will notice how loose that mirror becomes over there, and then it starts to shimmy. So that's a negative, but other than that, I haven't had an ounce of trouble. I put the hex hex bolts in the drain plugs, and that really made a huge difference. Getting this oil change, I put that wire holding that master brake cylinder on so I could pop that out in and out real simple. That made it so much quicker. I can change the oil in probably 30 minutes and be done. That made it a lot quicker. But anyway, overall, you can tell I love this thing. I got it in February, and I got over 8,000 miles on it, so you know I love it. I like the foam grips too. I put the foam grips on because even the Goldwing, it has probably the same grips as the Goldwing, so I changed those out because I like a little bit fatter grip.